Now we read the passages again to break down the new vocabulary. Amazing senses means exciting senses or wonderful senses. We humans use our five senses every day. We see the sun shining, means brightening. We feel the wind blowing. When the wind blows, means it becomes stronger. We taste the apple we're eating. We hear the birds chirping. Chirping, when the bird chirps, means it produces its sound. This refers to the sound of birds. And smell the beautiful flowers around us. Animals, on the other hand, do not use all their senses. They use only the ones they need to survive. To survive means to keep alive. So these senses are highly developed. Some can even be qualified as superpowers. Qualified means having particular abilities or skills, having particular skills. Sight. Some animals have much better vision than people. The vision is the ability to see. It is a sight. Vision is equal to sight. For example, an eagle can see a tiny mouse from high in the sky. Tiny means too small. Other birds like falcons can see their food from as far as 8 kilometers away. The falcon, this is the falcon. It's, it's a bird, it's a bird of prey with a pointed wings and long tails. You can see it here. Other animals, though, don't need this sense so much. Take the bat, for example. It has very poor eyesight, means it can't see well because it hunts at night and it depends on its hearing to find its food. Depends on means to need the support of somebody or something. That's why we use the expression blind as bat. We say this expression to people who can't see well, blind as bat. Smell and taste. Many animals smell with their noses and taste with their tongues. But there are some animals that have a strange way of smelling and tasting. The butterfly tastes with its feet, and the octopus with its tentacles. Here we have another word, new word. Tentacles. What is a tentacle? Tentacles are long, thin parts of certain creatures used as arms. These are parts like arms on the body of some animals, like the butterfly or the octopus. They use them to feel things around. The earthworm, the worm. This is a worm which lives in the soil. And it's nasty, by the way. The earthworm uses its whole body to taste, while the snake uses its tongue not only to taste but also to smell everything around it. Touch. A funny animal fact about touch is that the star-nosed mole doesn't feel with its paws. Star-nosed mole. What is that? What is it? A star-nosed mole, a small, nearly blind North American animal that lives underground. Like that. It doesn't feel with its paws, but with its nose. It has about 6 times more touch receptors in its nose than we have in our hands. Touch receptors. Touch receptors. Touch. The receptor is a nerve ending that reacts to a change. Cats, on the other hand, use their whiskers to feel their way around in the dark. Other animals and insects also use the hairs on their bodies as feelers, like the scorpions. Means these animals feel using their hairs. The grasshopper and the crab. The grasshopper is a jumping insect that produces chirps, and the crab that lives in the water of the sea. Hearing. Animals like whales, elephants, dogs, dolphins, pigeons, and bats have much better hearing than any human, than anybody. The average person can hear sounds from 20 to 20,000 hertz, while the elephant can hear sounds of 1 hertz. Even more impressive is the pigeon's hearing capability. It's the ability to do something. It can hear something that measures as low as 0.1 hertz. Impressive means when something is impressive means you admire it. It catches your eyes. You feel attracted to it. And this is the pigeon. It's a bird.